So, I get what makes the other batches unique. But what's so special about Hunter?
He can put up with the other three. He was engineered with heightened senses. A place like the Cyber Center, Hunter can feel the electromagnetic frequencies from anywhere on the planet.
And here I thought we were smart just using a holo map.
Well, maps can be wrong. Hunter never is.
Hang in there, Cody. Listen up. We have to move out.
Commander Cody's in no position to move.
Already called in evac. Kix will stay with Cody until it arrives. I'm in charge now. And I've got a plan to get into that cyber center.
If your plans are so good, why did Commander Cody have to call us in?
You can't talk to Captain Rex like that. Says who? Oh! Put him down!
Stay out
Hey,
of it.
watch it! Guys, come on. Wrecker, drop him now. Fellas, come on. We're all fighting for the same thing, right? All right then. Let's cut the chatter and finish what we started. We'll do it your way, Captain. For Commander Cody. Okay. Let's gear up and move out.